Imagine floating alone in space. No sound, no air, just endless darkness stretching in every direction. But space isn't just empty. It's filled with things so powerful, so terrifying, that they can destroy planets, stars, and even entire galaxies. From cosmic explosions stronger than billions of suns, to invisible monsters that swallow light itself. Space hides secrets that scientists are still trying to understand, and the more we discover about the universe, the more terrifying it begins to look. Today, we're exploring the dark truth about space. Most people imagine space as calm and peaceful, a quiet place filled with stars and beautiful galaxies. But in reality, space is one of the most hostile environments imaginable. There's no oxygen to breathe. Temperatures can drop below -270 degrees Celsius. Radiation constantly travels through space at deadly levels. And without protection, the human body would survive only seconds. Your blood would begin to boil. Your lungs would collapse. And your body would slowly freeze as heat escapes into the vacuum. Space doesn't forgive mistakes. Even a tiny hole in a spacesuit can mean instant death. Somewhere in the darkness of space exist objects so powerful that nothing can escape them. Not even light. These cosmic monsters are called black hole. Black holes are created when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. The result is a point in space where gravity becomes unimaginably strong. Anything that gets too close is pulled in forever. If you got too close, something terrifying would happen. Your body would stretch like spaghetti. Scientists call this process spaghettification. You would be pulled apart atom by atom, before disappearing beyond the event horizon. And once something enters a black hole, it may never escape again. Now imagine the most powerful explosion possible. An explosion brighter than an entire galaxy. These cosmic events are known as gamma-ray burst. They occur when massive stars collapse or when neutron stars collide with each other. For a few seconds, they release more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. These bursts send deadly beams of radiation across the universe. If a gamma-ray burst happened close enough to Earth, it could strip away our atmosphere. It could destroy the ozone layer and expose the planet to lethal radiation. Some scientists believe events like this may have caused mass extinctions in the distant past. Here's something even stranger. Everything we can see in space, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up only 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is something we barely understand. A mysterious substance known as dark matter. Dark matter does not emit light. It doesn't reflect light, and it doesn't interact with normal matter in ways we can easily detect. But scientists know it exists because its gravity affects how galaxies move. Without dark matter, galaxies would simply fly apart. Yet despite decades of research, no one truly knows what dark matter actually is. If dark matter wasn't mysterious enough, there is another cosmic force that is even stranger. It's called dark energy. Dark energy is the reason the universe is expanding. But what shocked scientists the most is that the expansion is speeding up. Galaxies are drifting farther and farther apart, and this process is accelerating every second. Billions of years from now, distant galaxies may disappear from our view forever, leaving our part of the universe isolated in darkness. Now consider this. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy contains billions of stars, and many of those stars have planets orbiting them. Statistically, intelligent alien civilizations should exist. Yet we have never found any clear evidence of them. This mystery is known as the Fermi Paradox. So where is everyone? Some scientists believe something terrifying might explain this silence. Perhaps advanced civilizations always destroy themselves. Or maybe something in the universe prevents life from spreading too far. A cosmic barrier known as the Great Filter. The dark truth about space is this. The universe is not eternal. Stars will eventually run out of fuel and fade away. Galaxies will slowly drift apart into empty darkness. And trillions of years from now, the universe may become cold, silent, and lifeless. A place where no stars shine and no light remains. This possible future is known as the heat death of the universe. a slow ending to everything that exists. Space is beautiful, but behind that beauty lies unimaginable power, mystery, and danger. The more we explore the universe, the more we realize how little we truly understand. Humanity has explored only a tiny fraction of the cosmos, which means the darkest secrets of space may still be waiting to be discovered. And somewhere out there, the universe may be hiding things we are not yet ready to understand.